There are various guidelines given in the Quran how the wealth should be earned and distributed and spent. As far as how the wealth should be earned, there are various prohibitions that you cannot earn this way, otherwise everything is halal. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 217 and 279, that give up the demands of riba. Riba is interest, it's usury. And those who give up not the demands of riba, usury and interest, take notice of a vow from Allah and His Rasul. So earning through riba, through usury, through interest is haram. It is one of the biggest sins as far as earning is concerned. And Allah further says in the Quran that you cannot earn through bribing. Allah says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 188, that use not your wealth as a bait for judges in order you may eat other person's wealth. So using your money to bribe people so that you may earn more wealth is prohibited in Islam. Similarly, stealing and robbing is prohibited. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 38, as to the thief, be it a man or a woman, chop off his or her hand as a punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So earning while robbing is prohibited.